Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Audi Q7 versus GLS 450. We'll explore their core specifications, driving performance, and luxurious interiors. This comparison will help you understand the key differences and decide which premium SUV best suits your needs. When it comes to performance, the Audi Q7's available V6 engine delivers 335 horsepower, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.5 seconds. The Mercedes-Benz GLS 450, with its inline-six, boasts 375 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of 5.8 seconds. Both SUVs provide a refined ride, with available adaptive air suspension, enhancing comfort and handling. Inside, both vehicles offer exceptional luxury. The Audi Q7 features a dual-screen MMI touch response system and up to 6 cubic feet of maximum cargo space. The Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 counters with its M-Bux infotainment, a 3-inch touchscreen, and an impressive 7 cubic feet of maximum cargo capacity. Both provide comfortable seating for 7 and high-quality cabin finishes. Considering value, the Audi Q7 has a starting price around $61,795, making it a compelling option. The Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 starts at approximately $90,250, reflecting its elevated luxury. Both offer competitive fuel economy for their class, with the Q7 at 20 combined miles per gallon and the GLS 450 at 19 city, 24 highway. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities for performance, luxury, and budget. And speaking of efficiency, check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.